Kordro Nyam trab is a circular dance. Male and female do same movement, only in one place, steps are different. And so for this reason, in general, we do in a separate circle. Male in the inner circle, female outer or opposite, depends. But this is free. Main step we do all dance is very simple. It's like this. It's a double step right and double step left. So when we do this double step, first we tap and with the second we move our body weight. Now we do same left, tapping and then second moving body weight. So most all dance, this is the step we will do. So right, right, left, left. And then another step that we do is like this. We go, in general, when we go forward to the center of the circle, we will do right, left, and then right, right, twice, tapping with the right foot. The very first part of the dance is like this. So we do this double step with right, and we bring our both arms to the left. So we go like this, 1, 2, and then double left step, arm goes to right, and then double right, arms go to left, double left, arm go to right. And then another movement we do with arms at the beginning is like this, close and open, close and open. So the first part will be like this. We repeat 6 times this sequence of feet, right, right, left, left. The first 3 times bringing arms up, so like that. So we repeat 3 times. And now 3 times we do this. Arms close, open, close, open, and then when we go to the center of the circle, from up we do this movement, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 4, you see my right arm is down and left is up. So this is important. Every time we do like that. In this part, male dancers do the same, but movements are stronger. So you will see now, right, right, left, left, right, right. And then also going to the center is a bit stronger than female. Next part of the dance is the part that we will repeat many times. So always with this double step, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. We combine different arms movement. So first we do a circular movement with arms and goes a clockwise direction. We do twice. So we'll be like this, twice this way, and then opposite way, again twice. When we do this opposite turn, we will also turn with our body. So first we are like this, in this position. Second time. Now we turn. And then we continue. Now we can see the difference of male and female movement in this moment. Look, feet, male do steps, not repeating, not double. Here is the same. But when we turn, they do right, left, right, left, right, and then again we do the same. There are 3 moments in the dance when the music changes. It's very different, and our movement also will be very different. So there are 2 sequences in this part. We start with the basic Tibetan step, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So right, left, right up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and arms we do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we do twice this movement, and we will be a bit facing like this. So the center of the circle is here, and I give my right shoulder to the center of the circle. So I do twice. 1, 2. Now next part has 8 counts, and we do 8 steps. So we do like this. So it's important that we turn. Now you see I turn completely, so I give my left shoulder to the center of the circle, and starting with left arm that goes up and then goes down like making a wheel. On the same moment, right arm goes up. And we do this movement very flexible. And then we will turn again to this direction. And with the steps will be like this. Now we repeat twice basic Tibetan steps, and again we do 8 steps turning. The starting is the same. Left arm goes up, we twist our body, left lead going down, right goes up, and we will turn and we will end facing like that. Again, left shoulder to the center of the circle. The last part of the dance we will do 3 times like flying birds movement. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We do 3 times with this rhythm. Then 1 time we do faster, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, we will go down.